before disassembling the device. Please carefully read the following statement. Step 1. Turn the pentalobe screwdriver counterclockwise to remove the 2 bottom screws. Step 2. Heat the edges of the screen with a hairdryer for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Place a suction cup on the bottom left of the screen and pull a small gap between screen and the bottom of phone. Step 4. Slide a pick into the gap and run it along the edges. Keep it flat, don't twist it. Step 5. Remove the cover plate and its screws. Step 6. With crowbar 2, disconnect the battery and screen cables. Disconnect the battery cable first. Step 7. Use tweezers to pull out the battery adhesive. Step 8. Apply the new adhesive and press it down to stick. Step 9. Place the battery back in its base and test the battery connector alignment. Step 10. Reconnect the screen cable. Step 11. Turn on the phone and check the battery level if normally displayed. Step 12. Peel off the remaining adhesive film and reconnect the battery cable. Step 13. Put the cover plate and screws back in. Step 14. Double check everything, then put the bottom screws back in.
DEJI battery.